So a lot of times patients struggle when trying to decide which implant to take, and they're down to the last 2 or 3 for their final size. And it can be something like 330 and 345, and they really struggle with picking the right number. And sometimes people will pick something, go home, call back the next day and say, I think I picked the wrong one. So what I want to show you is, even the numbers seem like there's a big difference between the size of the implants, it's actually not as much as you think. For that, I have a little project to show you how much 15 cc's actually would be. Here I'm going to make a little demonstration for you, borrowing my son's Play-Doh. This is about 15 cc's, or 15 milliliters, same thing, of Play-Doh. And then when you empty this out, it doesn't seem like that much. And then when you flatten it, this is 15 cc's. This is the main difference in volume between a 330 cc implant and a 345 cc implant. And if you see that relative to an implant, you see it doesn't really make that much of a difference. So I tell my patients not to worry. If they are within that last 15, even 30 or so cc's, they're most of the way home. This amount of difference is not something that they would be able to tell when they have the actual implant on the inside. So when it comes down to something that refined, unless if there's another reason, I tell patients just to pick the number that sounds good for them.